Your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall health. But did you know that certain lifestyle changes and dietary choices can help cleanse and rejuvenate your fatty liver? Let's explore the practical steps and essential nutrients that can make a positive difference in supporting your liver's well-being and restoring its optimal function. Make sure to stay until the end because we have an important revelation about a key vitamin that you may not be aware of, and it could make a significant impact on the health of your liver. Welcome to Vitamins, your ultimate guide to holistic health and wellness, offering expert insights and practical tips for optimizing your well-being. As a quick medical disclaimer, the content we offer is for informational purposes only. Please consult with your doctor for any questions regarding vitamin or supplement consumption. Now let's get started. A fatty liver is like a storage unit overloaded with excess baggage, where each item represents an accumulation of unhealthy habits and poor dietary choices. Just as the storage unit becomes cramped and disorganized, the liver becomes burdened with an excessive buildup of fat, impairing its vital functions. Just as decluttering and organizing the storage unit can restore order, adopting a healthier lifestyle and making dietary changes can help restore the liver's natural balance, allowing it to function optimally once again. Now let's talk about the signs that your liver might be in trouble. It's important to be aware of these symptoms so you can take action and seek proper care. One common sign is experiencing discomfort or aches in the right shoulder or neck area. This happens because the congested liver puts pressure on the phrenic nerve. Another indicator could be feeling a sense of pressure or fullness under your right rib cage after a meal. This suggests that your liver is lacking bile. If you notice swelling in your right foot and ankle, or if you start seeing spider veins on your skin, it could be due to a toxic buildup of hormones in your liver. And let's not forget the excess weight around your belly area, which could be a result of fat accumulation in your liver that extends into your abdomen. Remember, these are just a few of the most common signs of liver damage to keep an eye out for. Alright, now that we are familiar with some of the symptoms of liver damage, let's discuss 7 key vitamins that have shown promise in assisting with fatty liver and overall liver function. These vitamins can provide much needed support and contribute to the overall well-being of your liver. So let's explore each of them in more detail. B-complex vitamins. The B-complex vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, are vital for a healthy liver. They play a key role in the liver's ability to metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Additionally, these vitamins act as antioxidants, protecting the liver's mitochondria or the energy producers in cells from damage. Since the liver is responsible for detoxifying the body, it needs an adequate supply of B vitamins to function optimally. They also help reduce free radicals in the body, preventing cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. If you have damaged liver, you may experience symptoms such as an upset stomach, indigestion, jaundice, or fatigue. Vitamin C. The liver has a high demand for vitamin C, making it crucial to ensure an ample intake to support proper liver function. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, shielding the liver from inflammation and oxidation. Moreover, it plays a pivotal role in the liver's production of glutathione, a powerful molecule that aids in toxin metabolism and inflammation control. The more vitamin C you have in your system, the better your liver will perform. While citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and tomatoes are good dietary sources of vitamin C, it's important to note that your body cannot store this vitamin, so daily consumption or supplementation is essential. And by the way, there's even more to explore when it comes to the power of vitamin C. Don't forget to check out our other video on the 8 best sources of vitamin C for additional insights and a wider range of options. You'll discover some surprising sources of this essential nutrient that can boost your liver health and overall well-being. The link is available in the description below, so make sure to give it a watch and expand your knowledge on the incredible benefits of vitamin C. Next, Tocotranols. Tocotranols, a specific form of vitamin E, have been found to reduce the buildup of scar tissue or fibrosis in the liver and other parts of the body. Daily supplementation of tocotranols derived from the pigment called annatto can help dissolve scar tissue, act as an antioxidant to repair liver injuries, and reduce inflammation, thus preventing further damage. The liver plays a crucial role in removing toxins from the body. but a fatty or inflamed liver may experience decreased levels of the antioxidant glutathione, leading to toxin buildup. Including vitamin E-rich foods like unroasted sunflower seeds, avocados, almonds, Swiss chard, hazelnuts, and leafy green vegetables in your diet can also boost glutathione levels. However, if you're looking for a more potent form, consider supplementing with tocotranols, which are 50 times more potent than regular tocopherols, the more common form of vitamin E. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your liver. It supports the production of enzymes necessary for breaking down toxins in the liver. These enzymes help convert harmful substances into water-soluble compounds that can be easily excreted from the body. When your liver is not functioning properly, it cannot perform this detoxification process efficiently, leading to a buildup of toxins over time. Insufficient zinc levels can manifest as fatigue, poor digestion, and low energy levels. Good dietary sources of zinc include meat, eggs, poultry, and dairy products, as well as certain spices like alfalfa and pumpkin seeds. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential nutrient for the proper functioning of over 300 different enzymes in the body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy liver by aiding in its detoxification processes. Magnesium also helps the liver metabolize toxins produced during the breakdown of food and other substances. Additionally, it is vital for the metabolism of calcium and the absorption of iron. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to improper digestion, resulting in various digestive problems. To ensure an adequate intake of magnesium, incorporate foods rich in this material into your diet, such as dark green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, milk, and whole grains. Selenium. The liver is responsible for storing and processing essential nutrients while also acting as a detoxifying organ. To carry out these functions effectively, the liver relies on minerals like selenium. Selenium is a crucial component of over 300 enzymes and proteins involved in various liver processes. Good dietary sources of selenium include Brazil nuts, liver, turkey, and sunflower seeds. A deficiency in selenium can lead to several health problems, including an increased risk of diabetes and cancer. Inflammation of the liver can also be a possible consequence of insufficient selenium levels. Choline. Choline is a vital nutrient for liver repair and overall liver health. Its significance was recognized in 1998 when it was discovered that a deficiency in choline can lead to fatty liver disease and muscle damage. Daily supplementation with 300 milligrams of CDP choline can help eliminate unwanted fat from the liver, preventing or reversing fatty liver disease. Choline also enhances the quality of bile produced by the liver, which acts as a detergent to dissolve and break down fat in the body. Natural sources of choline include beef liver, organ meats, pasture-raised eggs, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and grass-fed dairy. Now, to keep your liver healthy, it's important to be mindful of the foods you consume. Avoid or reduce the intake of liver-damaging foods such as vegetable oils like corn, soy, cottonseed, and canola oil that cause inflammation in liver cells. Limit your consumption of sugar and corn syrup, as they deplete antioxidants and increase the risk of liver inflammation and infections. Moreover, alcohol should be avoided or consumed in moderation, as it can damage liver cells and lead to cirrhosis and cancer. Be cautious with painkillers, especially acetaminophen or paracetamol, as it can be toxic to the liver and deplete glutathione levels. Lastly, steer clear of concentrated protein powders and power bars, as consuming protein without sufficient fat can harm liver cells and cause ammonia buildup. By being aware of these liver-damaging foods, you can support your liver's health and well-being. And that's a wrap! We've journeyed through the importance of liver health, exploring the symptoms of liver damage, the 7 key vitamins for fatty liver, and effective strategies to cleanse and support your liver. By being mindful of your diet, incorporating liver-loving nutrients, and making lifestyle adjustments, you can take significant strides in promoting a healthier liver and overall well-being. Here's to a thriving liver and a healthier you! How will you prioritize the health of your liver? Are you inspired to make changes to your diet, incorporate liver-supporting vitamins, or try out some of the cleansing strategies we discussed? Unlock the path to a healthier you and join the conversation by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the journey to wellness.